Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and I'm going to answer the question, do wills expire? First, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. This is a very interesting question. Can be a little bit tricky. Do wills expire? I've been recently asked this question and nobody really has asked me, but I'm sure if one person has this question, multiple people do. So here I am. The short answer is no, wills don't expire. There is no deadline for a will. As long as you've created it, it will stay working and valid if these conditions are met. First, it was a validly created will. There are very many moving targets there. First of all, you have to have the capacity to create a will. Then you have to correctly draft it, and there are many rules as to how it's supposed to be drafted. So if you've met all of those rules, which are too many to go into in this video, I have other videos and podcasts about that. So if it's been validly drafted, it's going to be effective as long as you haven't created another will to replace it. So that's the second thing. If it's first validly drafted. Second, if you haven't created a will or another kind of estate planning document that would supersede it, that says in it, this is my current will, anything I've created in the past no longer matters, that kind of thing. If there's a will that comes afterward, there's going to be a question of which will is valid, and usually as long as the wills that were created afterward were properly created, then those will be the ones that are valid, or the last properly created will would be valid. If there is a problem in execution of a subsequent will, oftentimes what will happen is the original will that was correctly executed will be the one that is pointed to. So it's very important that you get this right, which is why we recommend that people do not draft their own wills, and if they do, they follow directions that were given to them from someone who knows, someone who's a probate attorney and an estate planning attorney that sits in court and listens to all of the reason that wills and trusts fail all of the time, so that we can tell you how to prevent that from happening. If you have any questions as to whether or not your will is valid, if it was created validly, if you want to create a will, if you want to create a trust, contact me. That's what I'm here for. I'm in California, so if you're in California, we can work together. My website is www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.